Hi guys, my name is Eddie and today I will present a new BoilieRoller's cutter. This cutter using just electric power from 110 to 230 volts and not need any compressors or something like that. Most of cutters using electric power and compressor. Our new cutter using just power, so it's not need any compressor. You can save some money not to buy any compressors. This cutter is two-way cutter. It's mean the bumper cutting sausage to two sides and dropping sausage into machine from two sides. So if I will show like that, it's got to zero at the moment. So sausage goes there, going by sausage rollers, touching, not touching, but is getting till the end where sensor catched it and it's cut. Sausage goes to machine from this side. After, so sausage goes to another channel till reach sensor again, and it will be cut by bumper to another side. So it's two sides cutter. Like you see, it's working so soft, not loud, not aggressive, and very nice. Yeah. One more thing, when you turn on the cutter, you can do that from other side of the machine of the cutter, and it's you using power cord cable like that, like for PC. Yeah, and when you turn on the cutter, the bumper must go to zero. And if it's in zero, it's making sound like that. Don't be scared. Everything is correct. It's just the clutch of the electricity motor inside is just gone to zero. So now you can see it's start working. Yeah. Other thing for this cutter, you can, it's a universal cutter, and you can use it from both sides of the machine. I mean, the sausage possible be supplied from both sides. So, for example, now you can put the dough gun from this side and sausage goes there. But if you will take out the head of the cutter and you'll fix it to another side, the sensor will move to this side and will change position of bumper. You will get cutter like that. So it's everything the same, just sausage goes from this side and sensor is here. So I will explain how to change it. It's very easy. It can take about 5 minutes and you will set up your cutter to supply sausage from another side. So what is more? One more thing is you can lock your nozzle near bumper. For example, if you have 24 nozzle for 24 millimeters boilies, you can just put inside the lock, leave about 1 millimeter from bumper, and just tied up the bolts. Here's 3 bolts, and you just tied up. And next time when you put the dough gun, you not will reach the bumper, and the gap always will be the same. If you have For example, if you want to make smaller boilers, for example, like 14, this of course will go through all this, and you see it's too long. Nozzle is too long, so you just open lock, make it hole smaller, and lock up again to correct position, and you will have this size boilers easy. Another thing to regulate is the position of bumper. If you take out these three bolts from top, plexiglass going out, and with these nuts you can just untie these nuts and move little bit bumper to one on another side. So to start boilers, to make full boilers in one line with machine. So in end of the machine is sensor, which also you can regulate, like angle like that. So it's length of the sausage you can change, or you can move it like that. So you can catch smaller sausage or bigger sausage. Also in the set with the cutter is small screwdriver to regulate the sensitivity of the sensor, because if sensitivity will be too big, you just will pass the machine and cutter will cut the sausage. Its sensitivity has to be not longer than here. You see now, here is nothing, but little bit smaller distance till this sensor will work. So you see here nothing, and here is working. So of course it's necessary if, for example, how intensive your light in your room, or what type of dot you're using. I mean, dark dot or light dot this sensitivity is necessary for that. Cutter you can use for any size of boiler rollers. It cuts about 34-36 centimeters sausages. This depends what size you will do. That's it. It's fixing 4 bolts to the machine. In the set you will get 4 bolts for fixing, and rubber washers, which we recommend to put underneath of cutter, between the cutter and machine, because you just will save your machine not to make some special scratches or some not need sound when it will work. Also in the set, like I said before, is small screwdriver to regulate the sensitivity of the sensor. How to change the sides of the cutter? So it's very easy. You just take cutter from your machine. By the way, I can show other side of the cutter. You see, it's power cord goes there, and here is turn on, turn off of cutter. If cutter is turned off, you can see red light on the top. If it's switched off, you will see it's no lights anymore. So you can see, is it turned off or switched off. So to change the sides of the cutter, you just take another side. From bottom of the cutter you can find 4 fixing bolts. It's little bit tricky, need little bit tricky bits, but anyway, if you will want to change it, you will get it in some I don't know, tool shop. So just take off these four bolts, and you will get the head of the cutter open. You see. Take out the eyes, the sensors plug, and from there, and pull out from these holes. Of course, need to take out the sensor from base as well. Put the sensor to other side. Of course, the sensor must be fixed to another side of this angle, and it will stay like this. Just will see to this side, not like that. You see here, but to this side, and will be fixed in there. I can show how to do that. So you see now it was like that. You just pulling out all this and put in to another holes to get out it here. Yeah. So you will change the position of the sensor to another side, and it will stay like that. After you put back the sensor to socket in there, nothing need to screw out or something like that, and fix it back to this side of the cutter. After, you will be need to take out the plexiglass and take out bumper to change the position. Just turn around it, fix back, keep the line in one side of the sausage rollers, and check it when it goes to one side, is it in the same position, and fix back the plexiglass. Easy peasy. So looks like everything. Now we will show how it works. Pressure coming. Yeah. Boilies. Yeah. See, nice 24mm boilies. It's most difficult to set up all set for 24mm boilers, because the cutter and machine work on the maximum possibility. Open pressure more. Yeah, you see, nice boilies. Possible a little bit more pressure. Let's do speed in rally. Let's go in rally.